Hey guys, so we're in a Walmart. So here's our Vacuum Cleaners collection. We got the Bissell Powerful Bagless Canister. We got a Bissell Little Green and a Spot Clean Pro Heat, a Bissell Little Green Max Pet, and a Bissell Little Green Pro. Do a double powerfully compact portable carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. Bissell Powerforce Bag Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Bissell Powerforce Compact. Oh, I need to get this Bissell Powerforce Compact right here. I need those. We got the Bissell Powerforce, a new and improved, Bissell Powerforce Turbo, and the Bissell Powerforce Rewind Pet. Bissell Power Grim Swivel Rewind Pen, Hoover Power Drive Swivel XL, Bissell Powerforce Multi-Cyclonic Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a Hoover Clean Slate Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, and I got a 3 Sharks Vacuum Cleaner, and a Hoover Coiler Suction Vacuum Cleaners. I got all the Black & Deckers Vacuum Cleaner handheld, Bissell Power Clean Pet Lithium Ion handheld, Bissell Power Clean X XL, a Shark Navigator Pet, a Shark Detail Pro, a Shark Navigator Pro Complete, Power Engine 1 multi-service CMOS, Bissell Crosswave HF3 cordless, a Bissell Crosswave hard floor expert, a Hoover Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner, a Hoover Dual Power Max Pet Carpet Cleaner, and the Bissell Power Clean Turbo Brush Pet. And they also got all the clean solution. And they got the Bissell 3-in-1 original and the turbo, and the Dirt Devil Personal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and Eureka Repaint Clean Carpet Cleaner, and we got the Bissell Power Clean Ion Pet. Looks like I got one. And they got a Shark Stain Striker. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you want the vacuum cleaner. And go to Walmart to get one to choose. And I'll see you next video. Good luck.